Auscultation of the heart, practicing class or student's name.
My name is Mohd Jameel Anzar. This is I am from 22 OM 22 group. Today we are going to explain our oscillation of heart. There are 5 points in heart. First one,
First point's name.
first point is the medial valve.
Mitral valve.
Mitral valve.
Point. Okay, please listen.
This is medial valve.
Mitral.
It is medial valve. It is fifth intercostal phase, and second valve is aortic valve. It is right side of sternum, second intercostal phase. This is third is pulmonary valve. It is located at left of sternum, second intercostal place. This is second. Fourth is high gaspid valve. It is located at fifth
Xiphoid
process
or the sternum.
of the sternum.
Listen. Your fundoscope working?
It's working.
Huh?
It's working.
Working? Why you not? 1 second. Okay. 2 times this thing. This and also this. Next point.
Fifth one is bicuspid arba.
Botkina
Botkina arba.
erba point. Okay.
The fifth
Which intercostal space?
is
Which? 1, 2, 3.
the
Third intercostal space near the sternum.
near to sternum.
Okay. Listening. Okay. Thank you.